Alright, so today I'm going to show you how to fire a potato gun and use it properly. Alright, now here's your potato gun. Unscrew this back part back here. This comes right off, see that? All the way down. And you got the edges all rounded off here. I don't know if you can see that or not, but they're sharpened is what it is. You got your potato. Show you that. See about how big as that is. But we don't need to use that much potato, so I'm gonna chop that in half. It won't affect the blast any. So you got your half potato there. Put that sucker down in there, just like that, and heat it a few times. Once you got that thing in there, take this here ramming pole I got off a broom handle, and you jam it down in there. Oh yeah. Alright. Good and tight. Okay. Now it's loaded. So now what you gotta do is you gotta get the powder. Here's what we're using today. This is starting fluid. Take the cap off. Well, make sure you shoot off one blast before you put it in there. Blow out the chamber. Always make sure the chamber fires. Yeah, it's firing in there. See that? Alright. And you spray 2 shots in here. Put a little bit of CO2. Woo! Screw that cap on good and tight. You know, if you get that good backwash of that starting fluid, you know, that good whiff, you know it's going to be a good one. So here we go. I'll fire the first shot over here so you can see it. See here. Yeah. As you can see it, it's not messing around any. Yeah. Unscrew this puppy here. Only make sure you blow it out a little bit. And then that's all there is to it. Got my fire aim back there. I'll show you what I did. This is pretty hardened steel right here. I don't know if you can tell or not from this angle, but it put a pretty solid dent in this. It was flat, so if this were to hit anybody, it'd definitely break a few ribs or crack a skull, or definitely put someone in the hospital, if not the grave. So just be careful.